In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter keywords on TikTok or how you can hide videos by selecting and prompting keywords. So what we're going to do for this is we're going over to the profile section at the bottom right. From here we click on the three stripes hamburger icon, click on settings and privacy, and we scroll a little bit down where we see content preferences. And in here at the top we see filter keywords, and it's currently saying 0. That means that I have 0 keywords that TikTok needs to filter. So let's change this and show you how you can hide videos by prompting keywords. So we click on filter keywords. As you can see, what it does is when you filter a keyword, you won't see videos in your For You or following feeds or both that contain the word in the video descriptions or stickers. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a keyword, and here we can choose what we want. Let's say we want the word fight. Click on return. And now we can choose if we want to filter it from our For You page or from our following page or from For You and following. And I'm going to select For You and following. So we click on the top right, save. As you can see, this keyword is now added. When you want to add more keywords, you can basically go ahead and choose another keyword. Let's say I want to add water as well, and I want only water for my For You page. Now we click on save. And that is how it works, guys. If you want to delete this keyword, you basically click on the trash icon at the right side of the screen, right side of the keyword. And if you want to add more keywords, you basically click on the bottom Add Keyword button. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.